Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. Third part to this video on Memorial Day for a sprinkler repair. It's May 27th, 2019. The other two videos explained about the tools and what the problem was, why it broke, and the fittings you would need. Here's the pre-treated wood in the ground. The hardest part was trying to get this thing to fit square and level, and keep digging and be patient and get that back in. I cut it so that the lines coming in will be nice and straight. It's about 18 inches all the way as a rectangle. I love using the claw hammer. It is a great tool to get in there and keep it level and square and get your kind of your trench going. Once you get that dirt back, put your wood in and then throw it back in and then toe nail it with some screws, and then that earth will hold it. And I did one side where it keeps this from crushing and down there to keep it from moving. As you can see, I got in my ball valve. I don't know if that's what you sprinkler guys call it, but that will release, and of course that means open and line of the straight pipe, and that'll drain. Does it matter if water gets on the silver? No, it'll dry out. Why did I do the silver? It'll help insulate it a little bit in the ground, easier to work on too. Besides, if there's a leak, it'll reflect later and I can see it. You could wrap the sides, but I don't think you need to, because no matter what, you have to blow out your sprinkler system. If you don't, of course, you're going to end up freezing it because it's not below frost. And frost line, I think in Colorado, is about, I think it's 20 inches, 24 at the max. Anyways, guys, third video for this. As you can see, we're going to start building this way now. I'll give you a next video. Thanks.